Hello and welcome to FlowTuts. In this tutorial we're going to take a look on how to make the stretch and distort text effect inside of After Effects. Before we start the video, make sure to check the Discord server, link will be in the description, and also if you want to download the project file, link will be in the description also, and let's get started. Once I have my text ready, right click on it, create shapes from text, and what that does is creating shapes based on the text. Now select our shape, go to the search bar right here and search for path. This will reveal the path of the shape. Select them all, go to window, search for create nulls from paths. This will pop up this little window. Click on points from nulls. And what that does is creating nulls based on the points that creates the base shape. As you can see here, that it does this job right here. Then I just scale the nulls so I can see what I'm doing, as you can see here. Then what I did is just creating these 4 nulls right here. One on the left, one on the right, one in the middle left, one in the middle right. These are gonna control the nulls. This one is gonna control the nulls on the middle left. This is gonna control the nulls on the middle right. This is gonna control the right ones. This is gonna control the left ones. What I left to do is just the nulls on the right like this and turn them to right null. So this will control the right side of the nulls, and do the same to the other ones. Like this, gonna be controlled by the middle right one. We just go middle right. Now we just animate the position of these nulls. This is another example of what you can achieve this effect. I just add some bevels and some noise for this one. It's pretty straightforward. That's it for this tutorial. Make sure to like the video, comment below what you think about this video, subscribe for more, and link in the description for the project file, and I see you in the next one. Bye.